Hey, welcome to Cooking with Cosmo. This is a new show that I'm thinking about starting. Check it out. This is Cosmo D's Outrageous Edibles, and we're just playing around with some new stuff. I just kind of wanted to see what you guys are up to. Get a little high, have a little fun, chill. You know how it goes. Anyway, so I'm Cosmo D from Cosmo D's Outrageous Edibles, and this is some of our fun stuff that we do. If you haven't seen these already, Cosmo D's Cosmic Berry Crunch. Really cool bar, really fun. Check this out. I mean, they're just delicious. And you know what's great about the show? You can just get high right on the show. See? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, that's good. We'll have to put that aside because that is really good. Anyway, Cosmo D's Outrageous Edibles. That was a delicious one. So one of the new things I started doing was some full spectrum, that's so good, full spectrum cannabis olive oil. So this is it here, super strong. Hopefully I can see this and pour it in right without spilling it everywhere. So, yep, there we go, spilling it. This one, as you can see, it's a little bit darker. I did a little bit longer extraction process on this. These are about 2,000 milligrams per this little jar. So come and get them. They're gonna be coming to you soon. This one is our 1,000 milligram guy. As you can see, it's a little bit lighter, and this is a distillate. So whereas these are full spectrum, they're gonna be so much more fun. You know, we also have fun with hot sauce. Who doesn't love freaking hot sauce? So Cosmo D's has their own hot sauce. Check it out. So we're gonna be doing these. It's gonna be coming out. This is just some good stuff. Oh, so I take this to the restaurants with me, and then since I don't drink, I'll put a little bit of this on everything. So it's really good. A little hot sauce. Oh, wait, I can't smell it. Duh. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good burn. That's a nice good burn. So as you can see, we got some really good stuff there. You know, one of the other things I just whipped up the other day, actually about 10 minutes ago, is some new gummies. Check it out. So I did this new gummy flavor. It is, I bet you guys can guess what it is, but I bet you can't. It's a cool new flavor that no one's ever done. Blueberry cobbler gummy. That's right. That's absolutely right. Blueberry cobbler gummy bear. It's actually not a bear because, you know, that's illegal these days. But so these are, I did these a little bit small microdose. So each little gram of gummy, now I'm not cutting these accurately because for one, I can't see with my glasses. And for two, I just want to get high. So as you can see, these little bad boys are just yummy-licious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You want to try one? Here you go. Here, you can have one. There you go. Delicious. Oh, geez, so sticky. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so the other thing too, I was not a finished product. Sorry, this is my first show, so I'm a little bit all over the place. Don't mind me. Plus that edible is kicking in. So what I do is I take these and I put in a little bit of sugar. Like that, a little sugar and citric acid. And that way, you get a nice little sour bite to it. Delicious. So there's those. And then check this one out. So this is my strawberry lemonade. I also did a orange vanilla popsicle. That one is fire. Ladies and gentlemen, wait till you try that. So just, you know, stay tuned. Keep checking out our website. Keep checking our Instagram. And follow our YouTube channel that's non-existent. And you can find out information about when we'll be releasing our new products. But I just kind of want to, these are really fun. Just really, really fun here. Now we can also do them in these little squares like this. More traditional for regulation, so they're all exactly the same. But this is at my house, so this is just for me. So I can cut it any size I want. And again, we put it in the citric acid with sugar, and it gets a little bit of coat on it, gives that familiar look that most of you guys are used to. And then we're just gonna put them out here. Oh yeah, look how fun those look. I mean, check it out. Too bad you guys can't try them. Someday we'll be able to put THC through the foam but not yet. So anyway, so that's kind of a fun